I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by signing into Bybit on a secure device. You need a verified account and your phone nearby. Open account security settings immediately because this is where two-factor gets linked. Once done, choose Authenticator app. This is more secure than SMS. Scan the QR code with Google Authenticator or Authy and copy the secret key into a secure note so you can recover later. Make sure you disable any public Wi-Fi and use a private network while completing these initial steps. After scanning the QR or entering the secret key, your authenticator generates a time-based 6-digit code. This code changes every 30 seconds. Type that 6-digit code into Bybit's verification field and submit. This links the app to your account. You might also receive an email or SMS verification to confirm the change, so complete those prompts. Once verified, record the backup key offline. This lets you restore access if you lose your phone and prevents lockout. Finish by confirming that Bybit's security page shows 2FA enabled, then log out and log back in to test the flow so you know it works. Use the authenticator code during login and when performing sensitive actions like withdrawals. If your codes are rejected, sync your phone's clock with network time and try again. Incorrect time is the most common issue. If you still can't get codes, restore the secret using your saved backup key or contact support with account verification ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.